This 2025 Winnebago Sunstar 29 volts is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a TOWN and COUNTRY interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Sunstar 29 volts is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.